Hello everyone, welcome to General Measures channel. In this video, we will introduce the manual batching mode of the GMC-P7 F8 weighing indicator. The GMC-P7 F8 is a weighing controller featuring a full stainless steel enclosure with a 7-inch color touchscreen. The manual batching mode is mainly used in the food industry and retail sector, enabling multi-material batching and statistics, reducing manual errors while improving accuracy and efficiency. The boot screen can be customized. When using the GMC-P7 F8 for the first time, calibration is required. Calibration requires administrator access. On the main interface tab, Logged In, select the technician and enter the password in the pop-up window, and access administrator privileges. On the main interface, tap Menu and select Calibration to enter the calibration page. Set the unit, decimal point, division value, and capacity according to the actual application requirements. Tap Auto Zero to complete zero calibration. Proceed with gain calibration by tapping weight calibration. The indicator supports 5-point calibration. In this video, only calibration point 1 is demonstrated. Place a 2 kilograms test weight on the scale platform. Enter the weight value for calibration point 1 to complete gain calibration. Once calibration is completed, the indicator is ready for operation. Assume a bakery producing toast bread uses the GMC-P7 F8 during the ingredient batching process. First, the recipe parameters need to be configured. The GMC-P7 F8 supports up to 10 recipes, and each recipe can contain up to 20 material parameters. Tap Recipe on the main interface. Set the recipe product name to bread and enable the default tare function before batching. Material settings. Set 3 types of materials. Material 1, flour. Target 250 grams. Upper tolerance 2 grams. Lower tolerance 2 grams. Material 2, water. Target 150 grams. Upper tolerance 2 grams. Lower tolerance 2 grams. Material 3, sugar. Target 20 grams. Upper tolerance 2 grams. Lower tolerance 2 grams. Place the container on the scale. Tap Start. The indicator automatically tares the container weight. Add material 1, flour, until it reaches the qualified range, then tap Finish. Add material 2, water, to the qualified range and tap Finish. Continue with material 3, granulated sugar, and tap Finish once it reaches the qualified range. After all materials in the recipe are completed, the interface displays batching completed. A corresponding batching record is generated automatically, and the batching data can be printed. The GMC-P7 F8 has 2 different display styles for the batching process. When the weight is underweight, the interface turns yellow. When the weight is overweight, the interface turns red. The manual batching mode of the GMC-P7 F8 supports storage of up to 1 million records. Historical data can be exported via USB flash drive, facilitating production data analysis and management. The GMC-P7 F8 manual batching mode provides an excellent solution for precise manual batching of fine materials. It significantly reduces manual errors, improves batching accuracy and working efficiency, and simplifies data application and management. For more product features and applications, please follow General Measure.